Hey there, fishing fans. This is Joe here, coming to you from Angry Worm Fishing. Just letting you know that we're out fishing again with Willow Grove Lake. We have a very special guest with us today. My son gets a chance to come out and fish with us for the first time on a kayak. So guys, enjoy this fishing action, and we'll see you when it's all over. See ya! Fish on. Spinner? Look at the size of that crappie. Man, I haven't caught a crappie in years. There you go, guys. Crappie. Cool, race on. Fish on! Hey there, fishing fans. I'm just going to give you guys a heads up. I cut out a lot of fishing action in this video just to cut it back a little bit because we had so much action throughout this whole trip. Oh, yeah, the three of us that went out actually caught more than 20 fish each. So it was a really good day out in the water, guys. So enjoy the rest of the action. I'll give you as much as I possibly can on video, but I want to keep it a little short for you. And unfortunately, I didn't get too much video of my son catching any fish, which kind of sucked. But enjoy the action, guys, and we'll see you on this next episode of Fishing with Angry Worm Fishing. Take it easy, guys, and enjoy the action. See ya! Yay! Fish in the boat! Check it out, guys. Otters. Yeah, guys, we had these otters come across us while we were fishing. Man, it was really awesome. It was fun watching them swim through the water and make the noises that they make while they're swimming. That is cool. Awesome stuff right here, guys. They're cruising, ain't they? Yeah, they are. Not often. Look at that little wake they made. Really? Brandon's lost 3 lures on me already. Yeah, paddle up to me, bub. I'll stay here anchored. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, stop flopping. Fish on. Landing right on his head. Oh no, doubled up. Sweet. Missed it. You didn't see that fish? There he is. Fish on. Came after it again. Nice pickerel. Look at that one. Fish. Oh! Snap my line. Oh, I seen him take it. Oh, he missed it. You see him? There he is. Got him. Oh, came off. Fish off. Hey, son. Son. Fish on. Oh, yeah? Nice one, too. Oh, came off. See? Oh, Ross, so look at it. Fish on. Right on top of it. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah? Yeah. He's pulling me. It's a pickerel. Told you he's big. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh my God.
Hey, brother man! Ooh, that's a big one. Never mind. Fish on.
That was you.
Yeah. Oh,
Fish off. Dude, that thing hits the, sometimes, son, when you cast, you don't even want it to hit the water before you click. Fish on? See that? 17? Ooh, fish on. Right on top of his head again. Another nice one. Oh shit.
Oh. You going underneath the boat?
Yeah, it went underneath the kayak. Oh, there's another nice one. Oh, I gotta get some more line out. Oh shit. Don't snap it. Don't
playing with him. Get him in the boat.
I know, right? Fish on. Where you going? Oh, a bass! Finally put a bass in the boat! Yay!
Oh, I put him there for you.
Thanks, brother. Sympathy catch. Fish on! I love back-to-back fish. He's tiny, but I'll take it. Fish on! Hey son, I'm catching up quick. Is that 16, 17? Or 16, 18 now? Fish on! Only reason why I know I caught it because I saw him take it. He's so tiny. See how I get him underneath there? Just like that. Ooh, shit. Missed one. Did you get him? Yeah. Fish on! Oh, did he?
Yeah. Hey, you got a fish?
Yeah.
Is that a bass?
Yeah. Me and Brandon doubled up, but he lost his. Cool, right? Perfect. Perfect. Jig that out slow. There it is. Did you get him? Wow. Maybe there's nothing right at 100. Oh, there it is. Fish on. Oh my. That was a little scary. Uh-huh. That was a big one too. Fish on. Didn't miss him that time. Oh, that's messed up. Look. Yeah, bro. I got him with the top and bottom hook, see he's all curved. Fish on. Ooh, a nice one too. Fish on! Fish on! Yeah, another pickerel. Over here I did. Yep, fish on! Oh! I let it go slack. I had no choice because I didn't want to go in the bushes. Fish on! I hit right underneath that tree, bub. You gotta hit underneath the trees. Pulls them right out. Fish on! Did you catch a fish? We doubled up again? Fish on! Oh, fish off! What's that?
I had a pickerel.
Nice. I did too. Fish on.
Hey guys, in this part of the video, we were drifting the lake in the wind because the wind was 13 miles an hour that day, so it was kind of pushing us nicely, and we just kind of drifted through and caught some of these fish. So check it out.
The big ones are out today. Fish on. Hey, brother man, we doubled up. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, snap my line. Fish on. Fish on. Hey son, fish on. Oh yeah, big one. That's a big mouth. Woo, got close with that one. Hey there fishing fans, this is Joe here coming at the end of my video. We're getting ready to leave. We had a really good day out on the water. How was your first day?
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Tore it up, man. We caught a lot of fish, all of us. Well over 20 each. Even brother man. Guys, we'll see you on the next episode of Fishing with Angry Worm Fishing. See you later, guys. See ya.